Welcome to another 15-Minute Geek, where all our videos are 15 minutes or less. I'm CJ, this Spaz Muffin is Tilda, and this is Siggy. We're gonna open the pet box. Or, Tilda already opened the pet box, so yes, you did. So I'm gonna take a look to see what's inside. All right. What do we got? Get your nose out of there. Okay, hey. Okay, we've got some goodies. Tilda, sit. Good girl. This might be a little bit more challenging than I anticipated. Hey, sit. So we have sweet potato dog treats. Oh, Siggy likes this one too. By Scout and Zoe. Sit, wait, sit. I'm gonna give them to them. Let me see what's in them. It doesn't say no chemicals, no preservatives. Oh, sweet potato. I already said that. That's the flavor, obviously. Oh man. Hey, sit down. You smell it? You like it? Wait. Siggy wants nothing to do with it. She just wants to smell it. And this one will eat anything. I'll take it. Give it to me. What do you think? Yay, nay? I don't know. Nope. Not for our puppies. I'm gonna throw this one. She likes the bag, so that's good. Come here. What else do we have, huh? All right. Hey. You're so silly. Oh, another. Oh, these ones are carrot treats. Sit. Good girl. Wait. Oh my goodness. These are human proof. I usually have somebody else open boxes and bags for me. So it's another Scout and Zoe's carrot dog treat this time. What do you think? You like carrots? You girls like carrots? Oh man. I'm the worst at this. Here we go. All right. What do you think? Maybe? Take it aside, check things out. Tilda doesn't like to share. So if we give Siggy something and her something, she'll take Siggy's also. She needs everything. Sit. Good girl. Hey, come back here. Alrighty, we have one more. Oh, this one is grain and gluten-free for all of those allergy puppies, I guess. Oven-baked treats that are crunchy, natural bits, chicken recipe, apples, carrots. She might like this one. Uh-oh, what you got there? Looks like Siggy likes the carrot one. Things like dog treats in here, though, I can tell you that. You wanna try this one? Too many things go, too many choices? Too many choices. I'm gonna leave that one there. Come here, Tilda. Come here. You wanna try this one? Oh yeah, she's like, I got it, I'll eat it. I want it, I'll take it. She ate that one real quick. Oh, and now she's got Siggy's. Done. Oh god. So funny. So the pet box also comes with like a little, I don't know what this is. Oh, like a little, hey, thanks for buying our box thing. And then we have a best dog treat, a toy. It squeaks, it floats, it's durable, and it's machine washable. Now I gotta tell you that every single toy that we buy, our pets, they're gone before the day is out, if not within 2 minutes. So here we go. What do you think? She's gonna stand. She's gonna take it into her office and examine it and not share with this little one. She's so funny. She'll be back later when she knows that it's safe for everybody else to play with. So that was the pet box. It was $19.95. And like our video, subscribe to our channel, and I'm not sure that we'll do the pet box again. We might try a bark box or some other doggy box. I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but she's found the squeaking in. Tilda, come here! Tilda, come! No, she doesn't want to share. Sorry. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you later.